Hello guys, in this video I will give you a website that can track the transfers on a specific cryptocurrency, the ownership and searching by the wallet address in order to check if there is any transaction on that or no. So all what you do, go open browser and then Arkham handle and you go with the first one. So here guys I will search for an example the experience tokens, or let's say the one who get transformations and so on, the transfers of that one. So I will just use Bitcoin one as for testing to have the all transactions phases. As you can see guys, this are the transfers of last months, checkpoints and so on. Or you can find here the currency, the on-chain exchange, the trading view, the top flows, and the chart of that cryptocurrency. Or you can search via person individuals one. So here I will have the Satoshi Nakamoto, which is the creator of Bitcoin, and you will get all his transactions like the lately having that, and the wallet exchange, how it is evaluated by time. So this one is the first and the top one having this wallet, this amount of money, the creator of Bitcoin, and all his transactions here. So that's how to find the things guys, the transactions phase and so on. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Peace.